Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Leriton 13-piece lei needle kit, your ultimate companion for crafting Hawaiian leis and more. If you're into DIY projects or looking for the best lei needle and string set out there, you've come to the right place. Let's jump right into it. The Leriton kit comes packed with everything you need. 6 stainless steel long needles in 3 sizes: 14 inches, 12 inches, and 9.1 inches. These needles are not only durable but also sleek in design, making them a joy to work with for any crafting enthusiast. Accompanying these are 6 rolls of 150D 54.7 yard white twine, perfect for securing those beautiful lei creations. And 1 high-quality sewing scissors to top it all off. Now, let's talk about quality. The stainless steel needles are robust and precisely crafted, ensuring they won't bend or break easily. Their polished finish not only adds durability but also elegance to your crafting experience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these needles provide the precision you need for intricate work like threading beads or stitching delicate flowers. Using the Leriton kit is a breeze. The needles glide smoothly through various materials, and the waxed twine holds firm without slipping, making your projects seamless and enjoyable. Whether you're making graduation leis, Hawaiian-themed decorations, or even exploring other crafts like Thailand flowers, this kit adapts beautifully to all your creative needs. The possibilities are endless with the Leriton lei needle kit. It doesn't limit you to just one type of project. Rather, it empowers you to explore new ideas and execute them with finesse. From simple wreaths to intricate beadwork, this kit provides the tools to turn your crafting visions into reality. Compared to other lei needle kits on the market, the Leriton stands out for its comprehensive set of tools and exceptional quality. While it may be priced slightly higher, the value you get in terms of durability and versatility makes it a worthwhile investment for any crafting enthusiast. Wrapping up, the Leriton 13-piece lei needle kit is undoubtedly one of the best options available if you're serious about your crafting projects. Whether you're crafting for pleasure or preparing for a special event like a graduation or Hawaiian-themed party, this kit ensures you have the tools to create something truly memorable. If you're interested in getting your hands on the Leriton lei needle kit, I've left a link in the description below for you to check it out. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and crafting tips. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, creativity knows no bounds with the right tools in hand. Until next time, happy crafting!